This video is how to configure the backup and restore settings for lead assignment rules within Correlead. So as I open up the app here and I open up Correlead, you'll see backup and restore. And if any time I want to see this video or other videos about overview or email domains, quick start guide or release notes, you can get all these from this right panel. So backing up, standard lead assignment rules. So your standard Salesforce lead assignment rules, if you're making changes, you might want to get a backup. So if you, again, maybe you decide you want to revert, you don't want to, you don't want to make that change. It's just an easy way to get back to where you were. So you go to the backup restore tab. I can send myself an email. You choose the option of backup all rules or only the active rules, and you create a backup. And when you do that, it'll go through, it'll retrieve all the information it needs. And then when it's completed, it's going to come back and say it's successful. And now when I look at the page, I'm going to, and I just got an email. And this is the one I just created. So when I come in here, this is just an XML file, but you can see it starts with an assignment rule and goes down till it finds the end of the assignment rule right here. And this goes through it for all your active rules. It's an easy way to kind of see what's in your assignment rules. And I'm just going to go back. If I wanted to deploy this one again, and let's just say I'd made some changes, I didn't like those changes, again, I can email myself, and all I need to do at that point, when I've selected the right backup, is just hit deploy. And you can go through any of the backups that you have here. They're date time stamped. And that is backup and restore standard Salesforce lead assignment rules.